Okay, today we're looking at a Stonewall Jackson. We're looking at it before we open it, checking it out. The customer says that it doesn't transmit any dead key. We're seeing almost 40 watts there. And a peak power audio check. Looks like about 150. We're kind of looking at square box cars. Audio check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna fix that up and clean it up, make it look a little more rounded than that. And we're trying to heat this baby up so that, because he says there's no dead key and it's all swing, and that's usually the MOSFET. Well, we call it a final in here, but it's really a driver to the PA output. But when that fails, then it'll drop down to hardly any dead key at all, but it'll still swing over 100. And that was the description he gave me. So we're waiting for it to do that. But I just want to document what the waveform looked like before we get started. Let's listen to the radio.
Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Check, 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 check.
Alright, we gotta make sure it's in the same spot next time too, so we're scientific. So let's put it on 4.
Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Check, check.
Sorry, be honest, alright. Alright, let's break into this. Take a look at it when we're done. Customer wanted us to remove these color changing LEDs and put green LEDs in the back. And I just know how green LEDs are. They're not very bright. So we're going to go with 3 on each one. Tie them together and make 3 holes instead of 1. And those will go behind there and face out. We hope that'll do well. We won't be able to see that once it's all put together, so I thought I'd film it now. Well, it was just like I thought. Even with 3 of them, green LEDs aren't very bright. I'm going to have to look for brighter LEDs that are green or change colors. He changed the lights to green. They were color changing before, he didn't like that. And a whole bunch of other work that he knows about. This is for Andrew in New Hampshire. Andrew shares my last name and my home state. I don't know if he knows that. This is a tune-up and repair report, so let's look at our tune-up part. Earlier in the video we saw what it was like when it came. 50 watt carrier, and you could adjust it down. Let's see, I'm going to change the scale now I'm going to change it to a 10 watt scale. Alright, so we're looking at 2.5 watts there all the way down. We'll look at a 100 watt scale now. 50 watts all the way up. Alright, we got 250 watt slug on this meter. Over here. Make sure I got it.
Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. Now hopefully you're hearing the audio from my monitor radio. Straight to the camera there over there. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio.
I don't know what that was, about 180 something.
Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. Check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Anyway, put our upper side down. Upper side down.
Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2.
Okay.
Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Side down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2.
Alright, let's get this down.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2.
Alright, put it on me.
I hate to even try to get out in this mess. How about it out there and all that noise? Anybody got a copy on a screwdriver here in South Florida?
Let's take it out of band a little bit. And you have that.
How about that 777? You still out there, Blake?
Yep,
I got another radio I want to try. This is screwdriver down here in Fort Lauderdale, Blake.
Yep, you're sounding good. Show me about a 3 here.
Cameron to 3. Yeah, this one's a Stonewall Jackson, Roger.
Yeah, you betcha.
I appreciate you coming back to me again. You have a fine one.